Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use charm to boost your luck in catching the secret fish in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depths update part 2. Okay, let's get into it guys. In this update, there is new item which is called charms. Okay, as you can see right here, and you can get the charm from the Lost Isle and also from the Ancient Jungle. From the ancient jungle, you need to open the secret temple first. So here, I'm gonna show you how you can get and use the algae charm from the Lost Isle because I haven't unlocked the secret temple yet. Okay, you can buy the algae charm right here, and it costs 40k coins. And after that, you're going to go to your items and go to charms and just select the charm to activate it, and you will see your charm right here guys, near the bait, and you can use it to do fishing and it will boost your luck, and it has 50 uses. Okay, just like this. Now the charm has been activated guys. And okay guys, that's how you can use the charm in Fish It game on Roblox Crystal Depths update part 2. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.